everyone, my name's Emily with Magic Wand Company here today. I'm here to tell you about some of our products and services and things that we're offering for you guys. So as you can see right behind me here, we have the Mighty Escape Plus. It's our most powerful ATM that's ever been made. It's a great product for you guys to start looking into or investing into, especially for any small startup businesses trying to get your feet off the ground. It's a great solution to a lot of your problems that you might be having. As you can see with all of these machines around me, we have plenty of them in stock with locations across the nation too. East Coast, West Coast, anywhere you're looking at, we have somewhere that can ship out to you really quickly too and help you out with any of your needs. Whenever you're getting products from us, we have a lot of educational material and support material for you too, which is really great if you have problems coming up, anything else that you might need help with. We're always here for you guys to reach out to. We have trained technicians on staff too, a lot of mechanics, IICRC certified technicians to be able to help you with anything that might be going on in your business. It doesn't matter what you're getting as long as you're getting here with Magic Wand Company. If you're interested in any of the products or services that we have available for you guys, come check us out at magicwandcompany.com.